Yo, stop being afraid to be you.
Yeah, live in the flesh. You got your one and only Tony Vic.
Your insecurities, your flaws, your imperfections, your failures, your struggles, your stories. Stop being afraid to be you. That's what makes you unique. Stop looking at Instagram, comparing yourself to everybody else, saying that you want to be this person, you want to be that person. It's cool to be influenced by other people, but be you. Be genuinely, authentically you. That's what makes you so beautiful. That's what makes you so dope. Besides, you don't know what somebody else is going through. Be you and be beautiful. My thoughts will transform my future. I can't be nobody but Tone Vic. Flaws and all, imperfections and all. Man, I wear glasses, you know what I'm saying? I need braces, but I'm being authentically me. Be authentically you. That's what makes people love you so much. Flaws and all. Turn those flaws into alls. Turn your imperfections into perfections. Every loss, there's a lesson, and every mess, there's a message. That's why we keep on stepping. I love who I am. My thoughts will transform my future. What I say to you, I say to myself. I can only be me. Flaws and all. Flaws and all, baby. I love me, and I love you. Peace. I'm blind as a bat.